Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Application Chapter 4 Part 4 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. So in the previous class, you have learnt about variables in PHP and PHP data type. Today's class, you are going to learn operators in PHP. So let us get into the topic. So operators in PHP. First of all, what is operator? Operator is a symbol, just a sign, but it has a specific meaning, and that is used to perform mathematical and logical operations in the programming languages. We do have different types of operators in PHP. So let's see one by one. First one is arithmetic operators. Second one, assignment operator. Third one, comparison operators. Fourth one, increment or decrement operators. Fifth one, logical operators. And sixth, string operators. So these are the operators you're going to learn in this class. So first let us learn the terms given in an expression. So expression means this is what expression: x plus y equal to z. So in this expression, the given inputs are the operands. Yes, it is operands. And the produced output is called as result. In between, we do have different symbols. They are called as operators. So let's learn about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators in PHP perform general arithmetical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So we know that what is addition, and the symbol used for addition is plus. It is used to add numbers. And subtraction, the symbol used for subtraction is minus. It is used to subtract numbers. And multiplication, sign used for multiplication is asterisk symbol, that is star. And division is a forward slash. It is used to divide numbers. And what is modulus? So for example, 17 modulus 3. Percentage symbol is said to be modulus. So what will be the answer for 17 modulus 3? Yes, you have to divide 17 by 3 and take the remainder as the value. So 17 modulus 3, your result will be 2 because the remainder is 2. So this modulus operator is used to find the remainder in division operation of given two numbers. And now we are going to learn about assignment operators. So assignment operators are used to store values to a variable. So here we use equal to sign as the assignment operator. And in this assignment operator, we do have expression. One is left hand side and the other one is right hand side. Two sides we do have variables. So left hand side is x and right hand side is y. So this operator, that is assignment operator, sets the right hand side operand's value of given expression to its left hand side variable. So do remember, left hand side we should have one single variable, and the right hand side you can have expression like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Any calculation you can assign. Okay, now look at this line, x plus equal to y. So what type of calculation you are going to do if you get x plus equal to y? It is equal to x equal to x plus y. So this is the full form. This is shorthand. That's it. That is the difference. Instead of writing twice the same variable, you can simply write once and you can say which operation is done, that is addition or subtraction or multiplication. You can say that and equal to sign, that is assignment operator. So this is the shorthand. So whenever you get x plus equal to y, what you have to do, you have to expand that expression, that is x equal to x plus y. You have to write twice the same variable. Left hand side variable you should write twice. In between you put equal to sign. So that's it. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus, we all know how to do the calculation. The same thing is taken place here. Only thing, the assignment operators we do have shorthand. So plus equal to, which means it is addition. Minus equal to, which means it is subtraction. Likewise, multiplication, division and modulus. So don't be confused with this expression. X, Y, they are actually variables. That is name of the memory box. They do have some values inside that. So we are going to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything for the value stored in this memory box. But while writing program, we will use the name of the memory box, that is variables. We write the code only for variables, not for the numbers. So let's see an example. So here we do have x and y. Two variables are there and their values are 5 and 7. Now just find what is x plus equal to y. How you should write x plus equal to y? You have to expand the given expression x equal to x plus y. Twice you should write the left hand operator. Keep that in mind. So x equal to x plus y. So substitute the values, that is 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So final result, final value stored in the variable x is 12. And the next one is comparison operators. Yes, these operators are used to compare two values, and these values can be integer or string. Integer means numbers, string means words. It can be of any data types. So let's see the symbols. Double equal to. So 1 equal to means it is assignment operator. So twice you should write equal to symbol to compare whether the given values are equal or not. Here also we do have left hand side and right hand side values. Both you are going to compare. If you want to compare, you have to use equal operator, that is double equal to. And triple equal to is meant for identical. And this exclamatory symbol is not. We read it as not. This is not equal to. Same way, open angular bracket and close angular bracket, that is also set as not equal to. We compare whether the given number is not equal. And the last one is exclamatory with double equal to, that is not identical. And here we do have greater than symbol, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So let's see an example. Here we do have two variables x and y, and the values are 5 and 7. Now what you want to find is, check whether x is greater than or equal to y. Compare with the values. X is 5 and y is 7. Is 5 greater than or equal to 7? No, 5 is not greater than 7. So the answer is false. And the next example, x and y, both the variables holding the same value. Now here we do have x equal to y. Compare whether they are equal or not. Yes, they are equal. Both the values are 3. So your result will be true. So let's move on to the next operator, that is increment or decrement. So increment means we have to increase the value. Decrement means decrease the value of the given operand. This is what increment or decrement operators. And we do have, for increment we have to represent with 2 plus symbol. So plus plus is what? Increment. So decrement will be minus minus. So plus plus, that is increment, will be increased by 1, and minus minus, it will be decreased by 1. And here we do have two terms, that is pre-increment and post-increment. Same way for decrement. So what is pre-increment? If you write the increment operator in front of the variable, that is what? Pre-increment. And what is post-increment? After the variable, if you write the increment operator, it is said to be post increment. And yes, there is different in calculation. Pre-increment will increase the value by 1 and then it returns. Post increment, it returns the value of existing variable and then it increase by 1. And the same logic for decrement. Only thing, we have to decrease the value. So let's see with an example. So first of all, here we do have two variables x and y. So x is assigned with the value 5. So $x means it is the name of the memory box, that is variable. And it is holding the value 5. And for y, we do have an expression here. $y is equal to plus plus $x. So what is plus plus $x and what will be the value of y? So let's find what is y. The given expression is pre-increment. So what we have to do, increase the value of x by 1 and then return x. So here we do have increment statement. So x plus 1, we are increasing by 1. So what will be the result? X is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Now the value of x is 6. And what we are doing in the next line, we are returning the value of x to y. So y will be 6. Yes. Let's see one more example. Here we do have x as 5 and we do have an expression y is equal to $x plus plus. Actually this is post increment. So let's find the value of y. Here it is given post increment. Expression is post increment. So as per rule, what we have to do, first return the value of x and then do the increment. So let's return. So here x value is given to y. Now what will be the value stored in y? What is x? It is 5. So we are returning the same value to y. Okay. So now y is 5. Then what we have to do, we have to increase the value by 1 to x. So x plus 1. So what is x? It is 5. Okay. So 5 plus 1, it will be 6. 6 will be stored in the variable x. So what we asked to do, we have to find y. So what will be the result of y? Yes, it is 5. So this is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment. So post-increment, first we will assign the value and then we will increase. Pre-increment, first you have to do the increment, then you have to assign. And next, let's learn about logical operator. So logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So two conditions we have to combine and the result will be either true or false. So these are the logical operators: and, or, not, XOR. So let's see one by one. So first let us learn about logical AND operator. So this is a symbol used between two variables and the name of the operator is AND. Here both the condition should be true to get the final result as true. If any one of the conditions is false, the entire result goes false. That is what? AND operator. The next one is logical OR operator. So this parallel lines are used as the operator symbol and the name of the operator is OR. So between two variables we have written logical OR operator. So what is the condition here? At least one of the conditions should be true. Either X or Y should be true to get the final result as true. It is not like and. And means both the conditions should be true. Or means at least one of the conditions should be true. And what is not? So this is not a logical not operator. Exclamatory symbol is used as not operator. And if you are going to write in front of a variable, for example, let us take x value as true. And if you apply not, it turns as false. So that is what? Not operator. It act as inverse operator. If you are giving input as true, it returns false statement. If your input is false, it returns true. That is what? Not operator. And the last operator is XOR operator. Symbol used is XOR. And the name of the operator is XOR. So we combine two conditions using XOR operator. And here the result will be true only if any one of the statements is true. For example, X should be true or Y should be true, not both. So in that point, our result will be true. So both the condition should hold alternate values. In that point, we do get the final result as true. If not, if both are holding true value or if both are holding false value, the final result will be false. So let's see with an example. Here we do have two variables, one is x and y with the values 5 and 7. And here we do have condition. This is first condition and second condition. It is combined with logical AND operator. So what is the condition of AND operator? Both should be true to get the result as true. Otherwise it will be false. So let's check. Is x greater than y? Is 5 greater than 7? No. So this turns false. So you need not check the other one. So one of the conditions is false. So what will be the final result? False. Okay, now let's check with another example. Here we do have x and y holding same value. Here we do have two conditions combined with a logical OR operator. Condition of OR operator is at least one of the inputs should be true. So let's check. Here the first condition is x equal to y. Are they equal? Is 3 equal to 3? Yes, it is equal. So one condition turned true. So what will be the final result? Obviously true. Because why I didn't check the second condition? The reason is here for AND operator the logic is both should be true. And the first condition turned false. So automatically it is false. And here OR operator at least one should be true. So the first condition is true. So the final result is true. And finally, we are going to learn about string operators. So string operators are used to perform string related operations such as joining two words. That is what? Concatenation. To join two words, we use dot operator. And to append the words, we use dot equal to. And the name of the operator is concatenation assignment. So let's see with an example. So now look at this example. Here we do have two variables x and y. And the string stored in this variable, x variable is computer and y variable is application. So if you want to join both the words together, we have to use concatenation operator. That is, in between both the variable, you have to keep a dot symbol. So this will return both the words together. It joins two words. Okay. And the next example, here we do have x. The value stored in x is welcome to. And we have variable y and the value stored inside that is learn PHP. Now let us append the text. What is meant by append? You're going to add these words to the existing variable. So x dot equal to y. So x data will be as it is and y value will be joined at the end of x string. Okay, so what will be the answer? Welcome to learn PHP. It makes a statement. Concatenation will join two words without space and concatenation assignment will add the data to the existing variable. So that's all for today. You have learned operators and this chapter 4 is over. Thank you.